Do you know that powdered sugar can catch fire?
Have you seen microorganisms like germs and bacteria in real life? You might have seen them in photos and videos, but let's see them in real life. Now we will focus the laser pointer on this drop and see the magic.
Wow, isn't that amazing? When I release the spring, the bottom of the spring doesn't fall down immediately. How does this happen? Let's find out in this activity. When I release the top end of the spring, the force of my hand goes and all that remains is the gravity and the spring tension pulling down, and the top of the spring is accelerating downwards. But what happens to the bottom end of the spring? The gravity is pulling down the spring. However, the spring tension is pulling the spring upwards. Hence, the net force is zero and the spring doesn't fall down. The spring will start falling down when the top end hits the bottom end of the spring.
In today's video, I'll add baking soda to Coca Cola and see what happens. Enjoy and have fun. 1 2 3 बोलते हैं डालना 1 2 3 डालो डाल के भाजा
फास्ट डालो
जल्दी 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 ओ बस
As you can see, this is a liquid. I will take this liquid and turn it into a ball, and now it behaves as solid. Isn't it interesting? In today's video, we shall make a strange liquid solution called Oobleck. Oobleck is cornstarch and water when mixed together can act like solid and liquid based on how you apply force to it. For this, we need cornstarch powder and water. I have made this solution using 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. Now, if I take this spoon and put it in this liquid, this acts as a normal liquid and pours as a normal liquid. But when I put the spoon fast with force in this water, it acts as a solid. When I try to put my fingers forcefully or punch it, it doesn't go inside easily. It still behaves as a solid. How does this happen? In this mixture, there are tiny cornstarch particles and they are evenly distributed. When we put our hand slowly, the particles of cornstarch have time to move. But when we put our hands with force or fingers with force, the particles do not have time to move and hence it behaves as solid.